What's good, everybody? Good morning or good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Day one is in the books. This is the beginning of day two. And as you can see, our $75 account is at $81. Um, I did make a mistake yesterday by manually putting in the order, the orders for the investments. So I actually have $10 invested instead of the five. But whatever the case. So how did the $75 become $81? That's a good question. So what we're gonna do, let's go into the account. Let's go into the history. And what I did was I ran a spy call. I bought it at $53 and I sold it for $60. Um, I forget how much percentage that is. I don't know, like 15%, something like that. It's not too bad. I did make a mistake though because if I would have held that, I think I checked that play maybe an hour and a half after I let it go, and at $53, it would have turned into about $280. But I was trying to limit the risk so this account could withstand time and not be wiped out after a couple of days. So it is what it is. A win is a win, either way. Like the traders like to say, if you see profit, take profit. And that's what I did. So we live to fight another day. This was just a little quick recap. Once again, the account is at $81. It's moving like this because crypto, it's gonna keep moving up and down throughout the night, and so that's just what it is. Catch you guys a little bit later. Thanks for watching.